there, my name is Louise Dunn. I'm the Vice Chair of the GCU Physio Society, and today I'm here to talk about academic families. Now, if you're in an academic family, you completely understand it, you've seen all our posts, then I'm not going to bore you, don't worry, you can just skip by this video. But if not, we have had a lot of feedback that people aren't really understanding the concept of what they're for, and we really think it's a great idea. It's something that's going to help you through your studies no matter the year you're in, and we really want it to get its full potential. So I'm here today to not put up another post of writing. I'm going to try and visually, old school because I don't have a whiteboard, explain as best I can what academic families are and what you can get out of them. Okay, so these post-it notes are representing all 4 years of undergraduate GCU physiotherapy students. Green is first year, orange is second year, pink is third, and our yellow is fourth year. Now, this is all of our students together before they've opted in or out of academic families. So let's say that the two columns here, they're interested in academic families, they want to see what they can get out of it and give it a go. They might want to leave it after a year, but they just want to try it. These two columns, they're fine, they don't care about it, they're just going to stay put. Let's start with our first year student. They've opted in, they're going to be put in a group with a second year, third year and a fourth year. Our other first year student is going to be put in another academic family with the second year again, third year and a fourth year. These are now two academic families. They've stayed where they are, they're not involved in it, and we have two complete families with one from each year. So you could say this is like the child, the two parents, and then the grandparent who has the most knowledge. They've been in for 4 years, they'll probably know most of the answers. That's why we've said families. It's your academic one. And we've got two separate ones. Sometimes you might get the situation where you've got two third years in it, but you're going to have somebody represented from each year. So you're now in your academic family. You've got one person from each year, and the fourth years maybe decided to create a WhatsApp group for all of you or a group of Messenger. Now that you're in this group, you've got your family, what are you going to do from here? Let's pretend for a second I'm a first year. This is an example of a question that you might want to ask. So you've just started, you've gone to anatomy, you're very concerned, how on earth are you going to learn all the muscles and all its attachments in the body? And you message your academic family. All three of these people plus have been through this before, and you just want some advice. How can you study? How did you guys learn it? Have you got any tips? And then third year, which would be me if I was asked this question, obviously I wouldn't have things to show them, but I might say, these are going to be your two things that are going to get you through. So I would say, I got a skeleton. It made it so much easier to visualise, especially if you're working from home and you won't see the one in class. You can see and picture where it's going, where it be attaching. Then once you've had that, you can also use these to study. What I did was I put the name of the muscle, all the muscles, and on the back I wrote the attachments, and then for ages I would just sit and say, what's the muscle, guess the attachment, see if I got it right, put it to the back. And hopefully that advice would be able to help the first year and get their stress down a wee bit, because this is tried and tested. So that's just one of the many examples of questions you could ask. It could be a third year asking a fourth year about the dissertation, any tips for that. It could be a second year going into placement and they're really concerned what to expect, and they would ask a third year or a fourth year for that. So I hope my makeshift teaching setup has made you understand what academic families are, and we really hope that you want to become a part of this, because we really do think that it's going to benefit everybody. So thank you if you made it this far watching.